everybody.
We are here with another video. Tonight it's gonna be
Bonfire night.
yeah. We just thought we come and show you what we've got. We didn't get too many stuff because of noise and neighbors and cats and kids and dogs. We just got few small things. We just thought to show you what we have. We went to Aldi. Usually we go to Aldi. They've got good Bonfire fireworks. And the price is usually good for a small family if you want just do something small. Some of the boxes are good, like this one, $5.99. It's good, it's just for a few minutes, it gives you a bit firework. We video it, we show you how this one works. We got it last year as well. And they've got a bit bigger ones, some of them is a bit more noisy. I think this is not all of them, they've got some bigger package with the noisy and bigger one. But for now, we just want to unbox this one, see what is inside it. This low noise $5.99 box we have. And we've got some sparkler and we've got some fun snaps. These are from Amazon, it's not from Aldi. We had them before, we use them sometimes we go to park. Me and Kiyan, we just throw them to run and mix noise. And we've got some, we break them, it gives you light. We break them a bit later and it's light.
I just found myself.
We do, and we've got some sparkler. They have giant one, bigger one, and they have this one, but they didn't have giant one when I went to shop. That's just the smaller one. I think they've got a few more stuff, it's not here. Yeah, I'm gonna open this box. Show
Daddy's
you what
got a
is.
line.
Yeah, tiny, just for unpackaging the boxes and
So big.
just for we did this last year, can you remember? Oh.
Sparkle.
You remember this one? Let's just show them what it is.
This is the tiny one of them.
No, that's for, I'll tell you what it is. The box comes like this plus this. Okay? For people who don't know. No, those are separate. Yeah, don't confuse them. We show you what the stuff they have. This is, we didn't know last year, we did it in the dark, we weren't prepared, but that's the lighter to light the fuse of this. I'll show you. You take it out, you light this one, it doesn't have a flame, but it glows very hard. That's something, it lasts, I don't know, 5-10 minutes if I remember right. That's just for firing these are up. This comes with the filter. That's you tell them what it is? Catherine wheel, yeah.
What's this tiny bug?
Yeah, we get to it, yeah. When you have to nail this one to piece of wood, we show them tonight when we do them. And you have to make sure it spins loose with this nail. And when you fire this one with this lighter, it starts spinning around and make noise. But you have to make sure this is secure, but at the same time it can spin. It's not tight. And that was a Catherine wheel. Last year I had to look at the video about this thing. I wasn't sure how you make them. There is a line here. It says very long. In the sand or in the mud, anything soft, you have to make sure you cover them up to here with the sand. And they have a fuse here. Some of them you see the fuse, some of them you need to peel the label off. Look. This one the fuse is here. What you do with these are, there is a line here, you bury them in the sand, then you use the lighter, make sure you can. We do this fuse a bit later. You use the lighter, you make sure your arm is not on the firework, you stand back, you light it and you move back. You have to read the instructions saying how many meters you go back. But what you do, you make sure your arm is not reaching it on the top because it's dangerous.
It might fill them up. No,
yeah, the fire.
You never know. If your hand was there, you'll get burned.
Yeah, then it hurts you, huh? You have to ask your dad or adult to help you to do that. Not okay. That was the first one. There's a line here, and with the next one, because I'm guessing this is a bit more stronger, it says you have to put it in the line that much, in the sand. And there is a fuse here. You use this lighter again to fuse it. It has to be covered in the sand. And these are the same. There's a line here, fountain to cover it in the sand. And it's 2 of these. And
Where is this
these
one?
are fused.
Where's this one?
This is all open out. Inspections on.
Somebody cracked this part of it.
Oh no, you probably take it out the box, but you have to make sure it is. We read the instruction better. For outdoor using, insert the fountain upright in the soft ground or other non-flammable. Then that's a fuse for it, and it needs to be in the sand. There's a line here. Yeah?
Why is it glowing?
Yeah, because you're playing with it, probably you broke it. It's okay?
We could use the other bit. The other
Yeah,
bit.
yeah, it doesn't matter.
No, only use that bit. That one. Where's this one? That's weird.
These are the same. There's a line here and with the fuse.
Where's that one?
And this one, I'm guessing you open this box.
Is it the same?
Yeah, this is the. You might have a different, because it says different thing. The effect might be different. That's jade shower. The other one is the fountain. It says the sparkle and different one. When we video,
It
yeah.
might hit you.
No,
That's why it's
hopefully.
not a ray, just run a ray that hits you.
Carnival. Oh, that's another one. There is a line here again, and there is a
Does it-
fuse here. You
Does it
peel it a
make
bit
the
off.
it make like a picture carnival?
No, it's like this, like this. And there is an instruction here. You make sure you read it before you do it. It explains how you do it,
We already know. And then we
Yeah.
crack it like that.
and those are. Okay, hopefully we can't do anything now. It's around lunchtime. We have to wait until it's dark. We get a bit sand and we
Dinner
get ready. Then we try to video it. Hopefully it's gonna be good in the dark. You see it better. Yeah? And we have to go put this one. We did this one last year. It
You
was
have to
fun.
take it out.
Oh yeah, take the old one out, then put this one in. Yeah, I just thought we show it to you. And they've got other boxes with more bits in it. They had another one, I can't remember.
You got it? Did you get it?
No, I just got what they had another one, $9.99. It's got a bit few more stuff in it. But all of them, they have an instruction how much put it in the sand and the fuses. Okay? You want to say goodbye, everybody?
Bye.
Goodbye.